A day at the park. Hello, my name is Emma, and I am 7 years old. Last Saturday, I went to the park with my grandmother. It was a sunny day. I was very excited to be outside. We packed a picnic lunch in a big basket. When we arrived at the park, I saw the playground. I ran to the swings first. I loved swinging high in the air. My grandmother pushed me gently. She smiled and cheered for me. After the swings, I went to the slide. I climbed up the ladder and slid down fast. It was so much fun! Next, we walked to the pond. I saw ducks swimming in the water. They quacked and splashed around. I threw some bread to the ducks, and they came closer. I laughed and clapped my hands. Then we found a nice spot under a big tree. We spread our blanket on the grass. My grandmother took out our lunch. We had sandwiches, apples, and cookies. I ate a peanut butter sandwich. It was delicious. After lunch, I played with my toys. I brought my favorite doll and a ball. We decided to take a walk around the park. We saw many flowers and butterflies. The flowers were bright and colorful. My grandmother told me their names. I learned about daisies and tulips. We also saw other kids playing. They were flying kites and playing tag. Before we left, I went back to the playground. I climbed the monkey bars and felt very proud. My grandmother cheered for me again. It made me very happy. After a fun day, we packed up our things. I hugged my grandmother and thanked her. I love spending time with her at the park. It was a wonderful day.
Reading comprehension questions. How old is Emma? Answer: Emma is 7 years old. Who did Emma go to the park with? Answer: Emma went to the park with her grandmother. What kind of day was it at the park? Answer: It was a sunny day. What did Emma throw to the ducks? Answer: Emma threw some bread to the ducks.